Alright, so essentially I just washed my car this morning and I noticed the tire was flat and that it was pretty damaged. So I've been trying to fix flat in here because it's Sunday night or Sunday evening. I gotta make it to work tomorrow and the tire place isn't gonna be open, so we're trying to fix flat. Essentially you put the fixed flat in there and you put some air in there. I really like this air truck because it screws on there and there's no leakage and you can actually set it to what you want, so that's pretty fun. But essentially I have a half an hour drive to work and a half an hour drive back, so hopefully this will make it. I put about 20 pounds in here. All the other tires are at like 25, so just a little under the rating. It is not gushy anymore, as you can tell. It's stiff, but I am worried that there's as much strength here, so it might pop. So hopefully we make it to work and back in time that we can change out these tires and get some good winter tires on here for winter. But I just wanted to try out this Fix-A-Flat. So far it's doing pretty good. We'll check it in the morning and hopefully we make it back, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're back here with the Nissan. We made it. The tire made it. It actually held up pretty well. It held up for 2 days straight of going to work, and it was like half an hour there and back, whatever. It handled up to 100 miles on that tire with the wire sticking out and with the Fix-A-Flat, so pretty impressed with it. Not sure how much the Fix-A-Flat actually helped. I don't know. That's for you guys to judge, but I just figured I'd make a little clip for you guys on that. And we got all new tires on here, so she's gonna be all set for the winter. Thanks for watching that video. Have a good day.